So let's proceed to the lesson 9. This is also again a common expressions about the road and wall signs. So here in this lesson we learn about a road and wall signs, but this is different from the lesson 8. So here some of the road and wall signs. So in Cebuano, if we say ginadili ang pagsulod, so in English, it means do not enter. So pagsulod here or sulod, it means enter. The ginadili here in Cebuano, in English, that is do not. In Cebuano, if we say ginadili ang pagparking, so in English, no parking. So the word ginadili here again is no. So at the same time, we can use ginadili as do not. So sometimes it vary on how we use the sentence. So in Cebuano, again, if we say ginadili ang pagparking. So in English, no parking. Ginadili ang pagtabok. So do not cross. So if we say ginadili ang pagtabok in Cebuano, in English, it means do not cross. In Cebuano, if we say ginadili ang pag-agi, so in English, that is no trespassing. So we always use the word ginadili here. So in Cebuano, sometimes it vary on how we use in a sentence. So here we use ginadili as no, and sometimes in other here we use ginadili as do not. So sometimes it vary on how we use the sentence and also the words that we use. So in Cebuano, if we say ginadili ang pag-agi, in English, no trespassing. Ginadili ang pagsakay. So in English, no loading of passengers. Cebuano, ibig sabihin, if we say ginadili ang pagsakay, in English, that is no loading of passengers. Ginadili ang pagnaog. So if we say ginadili ang pagnaog, in English, that is no unloading. No unloading of passengers. That is ginadili ang pagnaog. You know that Cebu City is known as the city of the South, and rightly so.